Welcome to NomismaNow, a place where we'll talk about money, investing, and how ordinary people can slowly build more freedom in an uncertain world. In our last video, we talked about inflation, how money slowly loses value over time. But today, we need to talk about something even more personal, something that affects millions of people every day, working hard and still feel stuck. Imagine doing everything right. You study, you get job, you work hard, you get promotion, and earn more money than you did 5 years ago, and yet you still feel behind. The bills are higher, the rent is higher, the cost of living is higher, and somehow financial freedom feels further away than ever. Why? If we are working harder, why we aren't getting ahead? For many years, people were taught a simple formula: study hard, get a good job, work hard, save money, and eventually you will be financially secure. For our parent generation, this often worked. A single income could support a family. Buy a house felt possible. Saving money in a bank made sense. But in 1971, the global financial system changed forever. The world stopped backing money with physical gold. Central banks gained the power to create unlimited currency out of nothing. When new money is created through debt, the prices of hard assets like houses skyrocketed. So, while your salary moved up like a staircase, housing costs move up like a rocket. Today, working hard is still important, but because of this shift, it is not longer enough by itself. Here is the problem. Most of us earn money by selling our time. We working an hour, we get paid. We work another hour, we get paid again. There is nothing wrong with that. In fact, it is how most people start. But there is a limit. There are only 24 hours in a day. You can work forever. You can keep adding more hours forever. And eventually, your income reaches a ceiling. Your time is limited, which means your earning power is limited too. There is where many people discover something important. The wealthiest people are not only workers, they are owners. They are own businesses. They are own stocks. They are own real estate. They are own assets. And an asset is a simple something that you can grow in value or generate income over time. While workers change time for money, owners have assets that continue working even when they are asleep. This doesn't mean working is bad. It means working is only the first step. Think about this way. Every month you're working for your money. But does your money work for you? Many people spending everything they earn. Others saving everything they can in a bank, watching it lose purchasing power. But some people invest part of their income in an assets. Over time, those assets can grow. They can generate income, and they can help protect wealth from the inflation we discussed in our last video. This is why investing matters. Not because we want to get rich overnight, not because we want shortcuts, but because we want our money to grow alongside our work. How do we practice this concept practically? At NomismaNow, we believe in simple, long-term investing. We are not traders. We are not trying to predict the next big crypto or stock trend. Instead, we are focused on owning small pieces of the global economy. To do this simple, we look at diversified ETFs, instruments like VUAA, which owns the 500 largest US companies, or DGRW, which focuses on steady, dividend paying businesses worldwide. Those investments allow us to become owners of companies that create products, provide services, and generate value every day. And over the last term, we believe that owning productive assets is one of the most powerful ways to beat the system that was created in 1971. Some people choose stocks, some choose businesses, some choose rental properties. The important lesson is not the asset itself. The important lesson is ownership. Working hard is still important. Keep learning, keep improve, Keep building your skills, but remember this: financial freedom does not come only from what you earn. It also comes from what you own. If you want to understand exactly how inflation destroys your savings while you sleep, watch our previous video where we break down the invisible theft. The link is on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and remember that this content is for educational purposes only. We are not financial advisors. All investing involves risk, and you should always do your own research. Welcome to the journey.